A very happy morning to all. Today, this class we are going to discuss about lesson number 10, environmental economics. You people know very well economics means it is nothing but it is a science which deals with human wants and satisfaction. Environment means it is nothing but study about wants. Environment means it is nothing but study about the surrounding. So, environmental economics means how to satisfy the wants and needs of the people who is living the economy, how we can utilize the available resources, and how far the environmental original quality it will be degraded, various types of pollution, and how we have to recycle each and everything. What all the things comes under this, we are just going to discuss under this lesson, environmental economics. Clear? First one, introduction. Environmental economics, it is the short form EE. Environmental economics is the study of interaction between the two important things, that is the thing, human economic activity and natural environment. Human economic activity means economics. Economics means it is nothing but here production. Natural environment means original quality of the environment. How far the different types of pollution takes place due to producing of various types of goods and services to satisfy the wants and needs of the people. And another important thing, environmental economics is taken into consideration. What are the main important things means valuable natural resources, pollution control, waste management and recycling. While production takes place in the economy, different types of industries, they just produce goods and services, satisfy human being wants, needs, each and everything. But one hand they are producing goods and services, another hand what is the main important effect to take place in the economy means air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, each and every pollution is also taken place. So waste management, recycling is also very important to protect the original quality of the environment. What is the main important aim of EE, environmental economics means efficient allocation of natural resources. To satisfy the wants and needs of the people, we just utilize the available resources to the fullest maximum possible extent. So only this original quality of the environment and original quality of the environment, it will be degraded. Yeah. And another important thing, these are all the main important introductions regarding environmental economics. Next one, meaning. The term environment is derived from the French word environnement. Environment means it is nothing but surrounds, study about surrounding. Environment means all the conditions, circumstances and influences which affect the development of an organism or group of organism. So one hand we just produce the goods and services, thereby we satisfy the wants and needs of the people. But another hand, different types of pollution takes place in the economy. That is the introduction meaning about environment. Next one, what is meant by ecosystem? An ecosystem, it includes both the living things as well as the non-living thing. A living thing means it is nothing but plants, animals and microorganisms, each and everything comes under this category. And non-living things means weather, climate, sunlight, each and everything, soil, atmosphere, climate. So the interaction or interrelation between these two things, living things and non-living things, the interaction and interrelation between these two concepts, we can call it as it is an ecosystem. Production activities should be undertaken without affecting the original quality of the environment is very important in as far as the environmental economics lesson is concerned. Clear?